Hello and welcome to ICT-MASTER. In this video, I'm going to show you how to legally use Microsoft Office for free, including popular products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. Let's start. First, you'll open your browser and type in office.com. This will take you to Microsoft Welcome screen where you have two options, Get Office or Sign In. You will choose to sign in. So click on Sign In button. Then from the next screen, we'll need to create an account. We'll click on Create One. Microsoft Create Account screen appears. So we'll click on Get a New Email Address. Now you have to enter your new email. Then click Next. On the next screen, you need to create your password for this account. So enter your password and click Next. This will take you to another screen where you have to copy specific characters shown on screen so that Microsoft makes sure that you are a real person. So type in the character shown and press Next. When everything is okay, you will be presented with the opening screen of Microsoft Office, where you may start to use the application available. Thank you.